Hi guys, this is Abhiraj, and I'm going to change the RAM, and upgrade the HDD, and I have some tools for Mac, to open the system, and so I'm actually I don't know what is going to happen. Is it going to work or not? So first of all, I will tell you about my Mac, the details about it, the configuration, and here it is. It is a MacBook Pro 2011 late and 17-inch. It's pretty big. So firstly, I have ordered this 16 GB kit of RAM, memory, and let's see what's the difference if I upgrade the RAM only. So uh, in this system there is a 4 GB RAM. It's 17-inch late 2011 model, El Capitan installed. I have tried Sierra, but it's too much slow. It's slower than El Capitan and the before version also. So processor is 2.4 GHz and the processor is 2.4, and the i7 4 GB memory, and I'll just put it like this. Okay, I will show you what I've ordered. So this is Samsung 1 TB SSD 860 Evo, and this is totally like it. You can see it. Ooh, sexy. Okay. I think you can open MacBook Pro, you can open iPhone by these vacuum and the tools also. Uh, there is pretty much tools you want to open any smartphone or anything. Okay, so yeah, I want to open this SSD because this is so lightweight. I'm thinking that there is no SSD in it. So let's open that SSD box. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, now you can see my both hands are here. So where is my phone? Oh, it's in my leg. Okay, now I'm going to shut down. Okay, the RAM upgradation is very easy. It's very easy. The SSD upgradation is pretty much easy, but yeah, it's complicated. You have to like remove the screws of old. You can see like that, but I will explain everything. Okay. Okay, I'm going to open. going to turn on. I want to see the boot up time also. It's 16 GB RAM. Okay, yeah, you have to just lift it up very carefully and just detach it. Just remove these screws because you have to put it on the SSD. I have installed now the L cabinet. So I'm so happy that it worked, and I'm going to show you what is the difference. Like before, it was working very slow, and after upgrading the SSD, this SSD, Samsung SSD 1 TB, and the Crucial 16 GB kit, the RAM, and after that. I used some tools that is so cheap on the Amazon.com, not so cheap, but $19 I think. So it has every tool that you can open your iPhone also, that I did. I will upload that video later. So it has everything. You can open any smartphone or laptop, and so I'm going to show you the another thing that uh, it is a tray that I used for the old hard disk that my laptop has, and it is working properly. So I suggest you this: use the tray for the old hard disk. Don't just throw it in the trash. So yeah, I'm going to show you by booting this old hard drive, and I will open all the apps and I will show you how it is work. And after that, I'm going to show you the same process by using the SSD. It is installed in that. So I'm booting this, and after that the SSD. So I'm going to erase everything on this old hard drive, but after showing you the difference. So, and you can use it as an external hard drive. So why not? Okay. 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 That has a blue light that is showing the hard drive is connected. Here is the Mac HDD, the old one. So I'm going to boot the laptop in old hard disk. So okay, I'm going to just zoom in for you so you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to boot this laptop in the old hard drive by pressing the option key on the startup. Okay, there are the options for the old HDD. So I'm going to just enter on it, and I'm going to show you the boarding time. You can I'll just take a nap. Okay. I can stop. Okay, you can see this time, and it is not showing the toolbar or the my SSD. It will take too much time. But here it is, and here is the toolbar. If you can see, okay. I will open all the apps, almost all the apps, and okay. This will dance for a while. Oh, I'm not doing the boot up test for this hard drive again, because you know that is going to take very much time. So you can just guess, oh my, how it is slow. Okay, I'm going to start the speed test. You can see is 12 point what? It's 10.3 Mbps, and the reading speed is 13.5. So after closing all the apps, it will increase to 25 Mbps. Now I'm going to remove the slow hard disk. I'm just going to put it here. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to boot up this device in SSD. I have to put the password for the profile first, and then it will boot up. Okay, I'm going to enter. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. It was 15 seconds, and the old time was 1.25 seconds. Oh. Okay, I'll just open all the apps for you. I'll just put it here. GarageBand, then anything. Right? Oh, so GarageBand is open now. iTunes. If I click on it, it just get open. Okay. 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 Safari. Well, you can see the difference, but the main difference I'm going to show you. I'm going to boot my laptop. All these apps are open for a while. Okay. It will like my laptop is going to restart, and it will open all the apps just in a minute. Not just in a minute, in few seconds. So you can see I'm going to restart my laptop. Oh, before that I'm going to show you the disk speed. The SSD speed, you can see 485 Mbps, and the reading speed is 516 Mbps. I'm just going to close, and I'm going to restart, and I'm going to reopen Windows when logging back in. All apps are going to reopen. I have to enter the password or the profile. Now you can see the difference. Popping. Now it takes only 10 to 15 seconds to open these apps. And I'm just going to close it. And, yeah, I hope you like the video. Do this on your own because it was little risky. But if you are a computer engineer, so you can do it. Thank you. Bye bye.